Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's mini-series of 3 episodes, we are going to show you how to leave a toxic and abusive relationship. So please make sure that you watch the other episode as well and subscribe to our channel. So let's get it started. No matter how many times you've returned, you may go on without fear and end an abusive relationship for good. Build a safety network. To avoid going back to an abusive relationship, surround yourself with a support network of friends and loved ones who will know you on why you left. Remember why you left. It's perfectly normal to miss an abusive partner, but that doesn't mean it's right to be with them, asserts Hope. Instead, it indicates that there was some positive behavior in the relationship, but that the negative aspects outweighed the positive ones, since everyone deserves to be in a happy, secure, and healthy relationship. Put yourself first. In particular, if your partner is emotionally abusive, it's normal to consider how they would feel when you leave. But it's also crucial to consider how you're feeling, and you should put your own needs first. Keep in mind that ending a toxic relationship is not quitting. Bravo for making the difficult but honorable decision for yourself. Trust your gut. After all, you know your situation better than anyone else. Listen to your intuition and trust your own judgment on the safest time to leave. You have the strength to leave, but only when you're ready. Work toward becoming independent. Despite the paucity of available research, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, trusted source contends that improved housing and financial security can lower the likelihood of intimate partner violence. Finding a safe place to live and a job might help you get started on the road to independence, especially if you previously depended on your partner for finances and shelter. Create financial independence for yourself by having your own source of credit, savings, and income. Support groups and organizations. You can find solace and support at this time by getting active in support groups, joining organizations, and making connections with other survivors. Because of an unhealthy or abusive relationship, many people who find and get involved with One Love report a sense of relief in seeing their situations depicted in our content, strength in educating others, or support in joining our community of volunteers, student leaders, educators, advocates, and staff. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.